For 9 long months, 2 brave NASA astronauts were stranded in space, caught in a web of engineering failures and uncertain timelines. But finally, after nearly 300 days beyond our planet, Butch Wilmore and Suni Williams have made their way back to Earth. This is the story of human resilience, technological adaptation, and an unexpected space saga that changed NASA's future. On June 5, 2024, NASA astronauts Butch Wilmore and Suni Williams embarked on a routine mission aboard Boeing Starliner, a test flight intended to prove the spacecraft's capability for ferrying astronauts to and from the International Space Station. What was supposed to be a short 1-week journey turned into an odyssey spanning 286 days. A series of malfunctions forced NASA to abandon Starliner's return plan. With the spacecraft unable to safely bring its crew home, Wilmore and Williams were left aboard the ISS, waiting for a new plan to unfold. Stranded, but not helpless, Wilmore and Williams quickly transitioned from guests to core crew members of the space station. They conducted crucial scientific experiments, repaired critical equipment, and even performed spacewalks, one of which earned Suni Williams a record for the most career spacewalking hours by a female astronaut. 62 hours of spacewalks. As days turned to months, their training and military backgrounds proved invaluable. But beneath their disciplined resolve lay an unspoken question: when would they return home? A rescue plan takes shape. With the urgency of the situation mounting, teams from NASA and SpaceX began to brainstorm solutions. The goal was clear: to safely return the astronauts to Earth as quickly as possible. With Boeing's Starliner under investigation, NASA turned to SpaceX, its other contracted partner for astronaut transport. The solution? A Crew Dragon capsule that would carry Wilmore and Williams back to Earth. But complications with SpaceX's own mission schedules led to further delays. Then, in January, the story took an unexpected political turn. Former President Donald Trump publicly pressured Elon Musk to expedite the return of the astronauts. Though NASA had already been considering alternatives, SpaceX ultimately accelerated its plans, swapping a brand new capsule for a previously flown one. Finally, on March 18, 2025, the moment arrived. Wilmore and Williams, accompanied by NASA's Nick Hague and Russian cosmonaut Alexander Gorbunov, boarded Crew Dragon and left the ISS behind. After a heart-pounding descent, their capsule splashed down off the coast of Tallahassee. As divers approached the capsule, an unexpected sight greeted them: dolphins swimming around, as if welcoming the astronauts back home. After spending an astounding 286 days in space, circling Earth 4,576 times and traveling 121 million miles, Wilmore and Williams were finally back on solid ground. Their journey captured the world's attention, not just as astronauts on a delayed mission, but as symbols of endurance, patience, and the sheer unpredictability of space travel. This mission was more than just a delayed return. It was a warning and a lesson about redundancy, reliability, and the importance of having multiple pathways for human spaceflight. NASA's partnership with both SpaceX and Boeing remains vital, but the future will demand even greater precision as we set our sights on the Moon, Mars, and beyond. For now, Wilmore and Williams are home, but space will always call, and the next chapter of human exploration is just beginning. Subscribe for more space documentaries. Space Home.